Hello students, today we will discuss about mode for continuous frequency distribution. In case of continuous frequency distribution, at first we have to determine the model class. Ami yat prothomote model class to উলিয়াই লব লাগিব যেনেকৈ মেডিয়ান এণ্ড মেডিয়ান ক্লাছটো উলিয়াইছিলোঁ ইয়াত তেনেকৈ মডেল ক্লাছটো উলিয়াই ল'ব লাগিব এতিয়া মডেল ক্লাছটো কোনটো হ'ব যিটো ক্লাছৰ ফ্ৰিকুৱেন্সি সবতকৈ বেছি হ'ব সেই ক্লাছটোৱে হ'ব মডেল ক্লাছ The class corresponding to maximum frequency is called the model class. That class which will have the maximum frequency, which will have the largest frequency of than the rest, that class will be the model class. So the formula for mode in case of continuous distribution is this: mode equal to L plus f1 minus f0 divided by twice f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. So L means lower limit of the model class. Z2 model class hobo tar lower limit to hobo L. F1 means frequency of the model class to frequency. F0 frequency of the class preceding the model class. F0 or value to kuntu hobo Z2 amar model class thakibo tar agor class to frequency to hobo F0 or F2 frequency of the class succeeding the model class. Tamane model class to pisor class or frequency to hobo F2. H equal to width of the model class. Tamane length of the model class. So now we will take an example. This is an example of continuous distribution. So here you can see marks distribution is given as 0 to 20, 20 to 40 up to 80 to 100, and against each class number of students are given, and these are the frequencies. So from the frequency you can see 30 is the largest frequency. So the class corresponding to 30 will be the model class. जी ইয়াত তোমালোকে দেখিছা যে 32 সবতকে ডাঙৰ সো হেকাৰণে 40 to 60 এই ক্লাছটোৱে হ'ব মডেল ক্লাছ আমি ইয়াত লিখি লম সলিউশনটো লিখি ল'ব লাগিব যে লেটস স্টার্ট দি সলিউশন model class is 40 to 60 since the frequency in this class is maximum. Now we will write the formula for mode equal to L plus f1 minus f0 divided by twice f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. Now we will plot the values. So the value for L will be 40, the lower limit of the model class. F1 means frequency of the model class. Tamane model class to frequency hetu hobo 30. F0 means frequency of the class preceding the model class. Tamane model class to agor class or frequency to. Tamane 15. So 2 into 30 minus 15 minus F2. F2 means frequency of the class succeeding the model class. Tamane model class to pisor class or frequency to hetu hobo 12. H means class length. Class length is 20. So from this, after calculation, from this we will get the mode to be 49.09. So this is your required mode of this marks distribution. So in this way we can calculate mode in case of continuous frequency distribution. So that's all for today, students.